but okay, when you guys are solving this by hand, and for those of you when you get this back, you're doing this beautifully, but some of you guys are not putting those parentheses around the b squared, and so when you put in the calculator, look, -5 squared, whoopsie, is positive 25, because -5 times -5 is positive, a negative times a negative is positive. But if you don't put parentheses around your -5, I get -25. So for when you guys get this back, definitely look at the quadratic formula, the one on the left. If you didn't get full credit, it's just simple as that. Just put parentheses. All right. Okay, hold on, let me finish. -4 a c all over 2a. Okay, you guys know to multiply this, so you would get a 5 plus or minus. You guys know to go 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, -5 squared. This should always come out positive. -5 squared, just ask yourself, what's 5 squared? 25. This number should always be positive. It is never, ever negative, because a negative times a negative is positive, okay? And then here, you just take the product of these three numbers. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 7 then is positive 28. And there is my plus or minus 53 all over 2. And this is a fully acceptable answer, or you could do the decimals. Yeah? Are you doing okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, so then you guys could do 6. Okay, so 7, you have to solve it by hand. Do you guys want? So A is 1, B is 2, C is positive, whoopsie, positive 35. So now take some minutes, because I'll stop the video, and solve it by hand, where, remember, the square root of -1 is that I. And see, and then I'll solve it by hand. But remember, you just put in that little I. And by the way, if you at least did this, I gave you 1 point extra credit on the test if you at least just showed substitution. Some kids didn't even go further from this. They just at least wrote it out. I gave you an extra point. Okay, let me just pause it and then I'll